Oh my gosh, guys, it is about time for me to upload my 30 subscribers special, guys. Okay, so, hey, what's going on, you guys? The Fiery Flame here, and it's about time for me to upload my 30 subscribers special. So before I do it, I figured that I would honor some of the best YouTubers. I figured that right before I do it, I would go ahead and check my channel for it to see if I still have 30 subscribers. Oh, so let me see. Well, okay, so I still have 30 subscribers. Now let's see how many views my last videos have been. So this one's got no views, no views, no views, no one view, one view, one view, one view, no views, one view, one view, no views. The ghost is back. One view. The ghost was behind me. One view. 2 views. Wow, I got 2 views on this. Wow, look at how many views my videos have been getting. Holy crap, I can see how many views. Look at my last videos. And this one got 16 views. Hazmat's here. That's the one where I ended up crying at some point in the video. That was pretty embarrassing, but oh well. Look at how many views my YouTube channel has gotten throughout the year. Now what I need to do is take a look back at the right now I'm taking a look back at the beginning of the year, where at the beginning of my channel in the year where I started. And holy crap, my face reveal got 112 views. Holy crap, thank you guys. So yeah, if you guys don't remember, I already talked about that. My face reveal still has 112 views. Holy crap, I need to get more views on it. No wonder I'm becoming so famous. Ever since my first video, my channel has been growing since then. And ever since I started telling some of my subscribers about it, I've been getting more subscribers. So since then, my channel has been growing, and I'm still here in my room making videos. Now I'm hoping that I will never have enough. Now I hope that I will get that YouTube play button, because I've been waiting so long to get that YouTube play button. And I lost one of my subscribers, and remember when I made this video tomorrow, I will do my 30 subscriber special. In that video, I promised you that I would, but guess what? I really will, and I'm not kidding, guys. I am serious. I am dead serious that today I will do my 30 subscriber special. So now it's coming in a little bit. And I hope you all enjoy my 30 subscriber special. And now we need to see how many views now let's see how many views on the truth behind my YouTube channel got. Okay, so that one got 1 view. 1 view, the truth behind my YouTube channel. And so you all know now, so you all now know the truth behind my YouTube channel and how much it has been growing, and how I got this screen recorder, and I still have and I don't know why. But one YouTuber told me, but one of my subscribers told me that I have a potato mic, and I know you're one of them, Fire Rage, and I really enjoy the potato mic. I got this potato mic from my grandpa. I got a potato from my grandma and grandpa's, and I put a speaker in it, and I started talking to it here in my videos, and that's how I got it, and that's how I got a potato mic. And you cannot see my potato mic because it's in front of me. And some reason my webcam ain't on. I think I went ham on my webcam. I think I may have broke it. Whoopsies. And is my webcam still on? Okay, it's on. I hope it's on because I may have broke it. Alright. So, alright. I think I'm gonna end the video right here.